Hey guys and girls, and welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing a little modification on the FJ. Now, I was at the Melbourne 4x4 show helping out a mate, Trevor from Dirt Road 4x4, on his stand, and he had this company called KAON on his stand. Now, KAON are Australian owned, Australian manufactured, and Australian designed accessories for the Toyota. Well, especially for my FJ. They make all sorts of stuff. They make cargo barriers and odds and sods. They even make a transmission cooler for these. I haven't got it yet, so I thought I haven't bought any of their products before I put my little toe in, and I thought I've got to put something essential in. Now I've already got a fire extinguisher in the back of the FJ, and that's in a great sort of location, but what if I have to get to it and I'm in a real hurry and I can't? And I thought, I'll grab one of these fire extinguisher brackets from KAON, and it bolts in underneath the seat, and it looks like it's a fairly easy install. We'll soon find out anyway, because I haven't done it yet. I'll give you a look at the box. That's it there. Let's open it up and let's see how hard it is to pop this thing in under the FJ seat. So I've got my fire extinguisher mounted in the front of the car. So let's open the box up and get stuck in, eh? All right, let's open her up and see what we get for our money, eh? Alright, well, that's the bracket. Nothing too exciting now, I would think. Stainless. It's branded, it's got KAOS written on it. Made in Australia, got lots of little holes here. Obviously that's for mounting the fire extinguisher bracket on. We'll soon find out. Some nuts and bolts. It's always a good start. That's it. Alright. And some instructions. Doesn't look too difficult, does it? Well, let's hope not. Unless it comes with all the nuts and bolts. It's stainless anyway. They look like they're stainless steel. So let's have a crack at fitting this in, eh? Should be fun. Alright, let's get stuck in. Yes! We're at the front of the car, and according to the instructions it says secure bracket to the underside of the seat using the supplied M6 bolts, nuts and washers. Refer to photo for location of holes. I'll probably get a better photo of it there. Now I'm going to try if I can access these from the front, but I think it's going to be a lot easier accessing it from the rear of the seat. This photo is obviously taken with the seat out, so hopefully I'll be able to install it with the seat in. So let's have a go at the front, see how we go, eh? Should be fun. Okay, that's under the seat. It doesn't look that easy. I reckon I'll take it. Try from the back of the seat. I reckon I'll be able to see more. Let's have a look, eh? Alright, let's see if we can find these holes. According to the diagram, it's supposed to be right next to the wire there. Yep, there it is, there's one. Where it bolts into it, it's easy enough. And there's one on the other side somewhere. And there it is there. Cool, so we found them. You know, it looks like I'm going to have to come from the back seat to put it in. Alright, let's bolt her up. At least I found the holes. At least you know what it looks like. Should be able to do this with the seat in, because I really don't want to take the seat out. Alright, let's bolt her up. Okay, it's in. Well, the bracket's in. Now, it took me 2 goes. Why did it take me 2 goes? Well, it was my fault, not the product's fault. I'll show you what I did wrong so you don't get it wrong. Alright, here we go. Now, here we go. We're looking at the bracket here. See this here, this lever here? Well, that adjusts your seat backwards and forwards. What I did is when I installed the bracket, this one here, is I put it on the wrong side of the lever. So I put it on the underside, so it's holding the bracket up. My fault. So I had to undo it all again, start over again, and put it above. So it goes, the bracket goes above the seat adjuster. Now, another thing I used, made life a lot easier for me, is I used a ratchet shifter or ring spanner thing here. All right, 10 mil, way to go. Saved me a lot of time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fire extinguisher bracket onto there, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. So that should take me as long as it takes me. All right, for you it'll be a matter of a second. Okay, it's done. Happy days. 8mm spanner if you need to know what size to attach your fire extinguisher bracket to it. I'll give you a look. How long did it take me? Well, it probably took me longer than it should have, because as I said earlier in the video, I did do it wrong, but you're watching it so you won't make a mistake. I'll show you how it looks, and I'm happy. Done, here we go. So that went in fairly easy. And now I've got 2 fire extinguishers. I'm happy now. I've got one in the front, one in the back. Happy days. Don't forget, guys, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.